Right there guys, have another mountain stroll today. Today we're going to be taking in a little waterfall, little hidden one, and a little ravine, and then we're going to head up some trails up to the Dogstone. Ciao for now. Bit breezy today guys, but at least the rain stopped and the sun's come out this afternoon. Makes for a nice walk. Crazy old root ball on this yew tree. God knows how old it is. Been out the car 10 minutes and I had to open my mouth about how nice it is. We've got a shitload of wind and it looks as if it's going to fucking piss down. Hopefully not, but I think it's going to. I can hear the waterfall guys. It's just a bit treacherous to get down there, but we'll make it I think. Nice little hidden gem here. Dries up in the summer when there's not much water flowing. But she's a little cracker. Absolutely beautiful. Just come from the waterfall now, guys, and we're in an old little small holding, abandoned. As you can see by the ruined cottages. This little spot is a mega spot for a little bit of a wild camp. Another derelict building there. Used to be a cottage at some point. You can see by the walls there. Looks like someone's done a wild camp here and has forgotten to take their fucking rubbish home with them. Dirty, dirty buggers. That's where the waterfall is, in that little glade there. I've come quite a way so far. Come off piste now, guys, and we're going to be heading up around the back of that big stony outcrop there, and we're going to be making our way up through all these old trails. on some sheep only trails now. I don't think anybody's walked these for a long while. Wow, what a view. Absolutely cracking. Nearly on the top now, guys, but keep getting distracted by fungus. We're walking up for all these pits. I presume they're ancient pits for limestone or chalk or flint, but they're everywhere. Look at that, absolute stunner. Gotta be careful here, guys, because not far from the edge of a quarry, so quick view and then I'm going to head inland. Ancient pits everywhere. I should know a little bit more about what they are, but I'm a bit lazy when it comes to research. You alright, the dog stone? Whew. Well, that's some clear view today. It's a little bit of haze, but that's 10-15 miles out. Gonna start making my way back across the moorland now. I could take a left and go down around the quarries if I wanted to, or I could hang a right and follow the moorland trails. I'll see now when I get there. I'm gonna head back out across the moorland, guys. If you want to see footage of the quarries in the playlist, there's quite a few that I've been around the quarries and the old tram road. And if you watch this and you're not subbed, please like and subscribe. Producing lots of content, all different, fishing, mostly hiking, dogs, gardening. So give us a thumbs and subscribe. Ciao for now.